Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson with us at Urdu Top Words. And our today's lesson is how to respond, how are you? By the way, I'm good. Okay, let's get started. आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसी हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसी हैं? How are you? It's a pretty simple question and you can use it in an informal situation, also in a formal situation. और आप and you. और आप and you. So basically this question is an answer but asking a question. So you know what I mean? So if one person asks you, how are you? And then it's your turn to ask. So you just say, and you. So, और आप. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. Now, I would say आपका शुक्रिया in a more formal situation. And in an informal situation, I would just say शुक्रिया. No need to use the word आप or तुम, or no need to use any kind of helping verbs like ka or ki. Just shukriya. Thank you. So, there you go. मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. This expression or this phrase you can use in both formal and informal situations. It's a pretty simple expression. I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. And also, this expression does not have any kind of hierarchy attached to it. What I mean is that if you're talking to an elder person or you're talking to a younger person, you'll reply both of them the same way. I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. मैं बुरी नहीं हूँ. I'm not bad. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. मैं बुरी नहीं हूँ. I'm not bad. Actually, this phrase has, interestingly, two meanings. One is, I'm not bad, as in, how am I? But I'm not bad, like, I'm not a bad person. And in Urdu, we have the same phrase, मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. I'm not a bad person. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. I'm not doing bad. So, it's more of a translation thing. But in Urdu, you have the same sentence, but the expression on your face is different when you're conveying that expression. I hope you understand it. It's not that confusing. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm fine too. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm fine too. So again, it's kind of an answer to a person already asking your question or inquiring about your health. And it's just merely an answer to that one. It's pretty simple. I'm fine. I'm fine too. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. I think it's good to know this one. Sometimes you're bored and you just want to be removed out of the spot. So you just say, मुझे नींद आ रही है. And again, there is no hierarchy attached to this specific phrase. You can just use it in any kind of situation. But yeah, try to keep your expressions polite. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. Rather than saying, मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm sleepy. So the expression actually makes a hell lot of a difference when you are having a conversation in the Urdu language. मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling bad. मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling bad. Now this expression can be used in any situation in terms of anything, may it be food, your shopping experience, or your personal feeling towards another human being. So you just say, I'm feeling bad. For example, let's say I just had a bad curry. And I say, मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling bad. You know, kind of like I'm not feeling good. I'm getting sick. But if I say, मुझे बुरा महसूस हो रहा है, for another person, I'm feeling bad. So you just got to practice it more in order to get the hang of using these expressions. And also they are very commonly used, so you just have to do more practice for these. मैं बेहतरीन हूँ. I'm great. मैं बेहतरीन हूँ. I'm great. Behtareen is also a word that describes the word better. I'm doing better. But the way you say it actually makes it I'm great. मैं बेहतरीन हूँ. I'm great. पूछने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for asking. पूछने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for asking. It's, I think, more used when we are talking to our elders or but I think, you can use it for both formal or informal situations. As the translation says, thank you for asking. So it's polite. It's polite to use such phrases. This is all for our lesson today, guys. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. If you have any questions for me related to the topic or not related to the topic, feel free to comment below. If you need to know more about our Urdu videos or advanced lessons and you want to really get good in the Urdu language, please visit our website www.urdupod101.com. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.